My name is Adam Gazaldua.
And my name is Beatrice Camps.
Hello, my name is Jacory and I'm from the great state of Texas.
I can tell you from experience as a former close-up teacher that my students saw the opportunities that close-up presented them with as a blueprint for their future. Whether it was to be involved in policy making specifically or just realizing the potential that their engagement in whatever their passion is can bring.
I think that all the deliberations we had with the students were really insightful and impactful, and that was really interesting because people had some very differing perspectives, and we brought in the Constitution and America's founding principles, and especially being able to talk to students my age about problems that we're all interested in.
I definitely feel more motivated. It's our responsibility as the upcoming generation to have these nuanced discussions. Having these ideas and these opinions is very imperative for the growth of not only our state but our nation as well. I never expected to be flying out to DC to go visit the Capitol, to go to the White House. I never imagined that that would be me. That's more than what I could ever ask for.